Thousand Names and Thousand Stories, 162nd name, Dhrutatmane Namaha. Tondaradi Podiyalvar, one of the revered Alvars, expressed deep humility and guilt before Lord Ranganathan of Srirangam. In his work Thirumalai, he reflects on human tendency or capacity to make mistakes or be wrong, feeling overwhelmed by his own sins and mistakes. Despite this, he believed in the Lord's boundless mercy and grace, knowing that salvation and forgiveness come not through merit but through divine compassion. His feelings before Lord Ranganathan capture the devotee's journey of recognizing personal faults while trusting in the Lord's unconditional love and acceptance. Tondaradi Podiyalvar left the temple saying, "I am not worthy of standing before you, Lord." The Lord stopped him, asking, "Alvar, where are you going?" Tondaradi Podiyalvar replied, "You are the supreme divine, and I am insignificant and unworthy. I have come disguised as your dedicated devotee, but I feel ashamed of my own sins and mistakes, thus trying to deceive you. When I consider my fallibility, I believe I am not even worthy of standing before you." The Lord then asked, "Do you know why I incarnated as Trivikrama?" Tondaradi Podiyalvar answered, "To return the lost property of Indra from Mahabali." The Lord responded, "I could have easily defeated Mahabali or wielded my divine discus Chakrayudha to slay him and reinstate Indra. Why then did I measure the world?" Tondaradi Podiyalvar replied, "You being the master of illusion should explain this concept of illusion." The Lord said, "Due to my touch, all creatures in the universe should acquire bhakti, gnana, and vairagya, meaning devotion, knowledge, and detachment or renunciation. Therefore, I touched all with my feet as Trivikrama, which was the intention of my incarnation as Vamana. Indra and Mahabali were merely instrumental in this endeavor. I touched everyone, irrespective of being good or bad, human or animal, atheist or theist, learned or ignorant, and rich or poor, without discrimination. From this, you should understand that I do not abstain from anyone by accusing them of their mistakes. Therefore, I will not abstain from you either. Do not go away from me." Tondaradi Podiyalvar then composed a hymn on the Lord and singing it entered the temple. Since the Lord placed his lotus feet on all creatures, supporting them so they do not get submerged in the ocean of birth and death, he is called Dhrutatma, meaning the one who supports all lives. This is the 162nd name of Vishnu in Vishnu Sahasranamam. By chanting Dhrutatmane Namaha, the Lord will protect us from all sufferings in life.